Good morning, everyone. How we doing? Good morning. Good morning. How we doing? Missed you all yesterday. Missed you all yesterday for sure. Can everyone hear me well? See my screen? All right, everyone. Let's do this. I just started the live, so people will be pouring in now. But gonna look for a trade for us. I'm gonna talk to Team Bull though for a bit.
Let's get it, everybody. Market's open. Trade smart, trade safe, stay focused. Let's go.
Let's do this.
Let's do this. We're right at pre-market low already.
24,700 is where I look for a bounce. Good morning. How's everyone? You all ready for Thanksgiving? Make sure you share the link to live. Let everyone know that I am live this morning. I know I missed yesterday, so people may think I'm taking the week off.
All right, let's see what we get today. We're gonna do the same deal as usual. Choose discipline over dopamine. Wait the first 15 minutes, and hopefully it doesn't take us 3 trades to secure our bag today. We could have technically lost 3 trades yesterday, but I lost my first trade. Technically lost my second, though it was basically break even. I got one trim off and then stopped still below my entry, so still was a red trade.
Yesterday, no, I have just a busy week, family and stuff. It's Thanksgiving. Nothing wrong with slowing down during Thanksgiving week. Sorry about that, Kelsey. You had a tough day? What's up? NVIDIA dumping? What's it at? Let's see what NVIDIA is doing. I'm telling you, if NVIDIA gets down close to that 100, it's going to be a steal in that area. That would be a big play for us, I feel, if we just get a nice pullback on NVIDIA, just around that 100.
That is absolutely bananas.
What's up, Chris? Appreciate you,
That
man.
West
But you
Village
know you don't
treats
have to
you
give
up.
me anything. Just hang out, ask some good
Appreciate you,
questions.
my boy. I'm gonna wait the first 15 minutes. If you're new here, I don't trade the first 15. I wait for the mark.
What's up? Had a nice workout this morning. Got most of my running done for the day, so it's been a good morning. I had to go pick up my truck after I lifted weights this morning. It was in the shop getting serviced and stuff. I'm from Tennessee. How to add multiple Apex accounts together? Well, I mean, if you use their platform, Wealth Charts, they have a trade copier on there, from what I've been told, that works really well. You can link them all together on there. If you use Tradeovate, you can use Group Trader. So there's a couple of different ways. Just make sure you use code Grizzly. Give you a nice discount. So hold on a sec. Oh, I'm here, Spartan. I am here. Sook, I appreciate you hanging out, but you know, coming out in the chat is not what we do here. We focus on trading, but all right. Any questions for me? Any questions? All right, everyone's starting to see I'm live now, so I haven't taken a trade. No. What's everyone's favorite setup? Let's talk about it. I'm just giving. I'm looking for a long entry more than anything today. To be honest, I want to see a pullback to that 24,700. See if we bounce there. Had some previous resistance in that area. We've got the whole psych. It's kind of more of an area. 24,680 to 24,700 is the area I'm gonna watch. How'd you all do yesterday without me? I mean, I'm not doubting you all. I know you probably crushed it, but I'm just wondering, you all make some money? Kelsey, I seen you had a tough day, but you don't have to answer again. We'll try to
Make
get
some
past
money.
that.
We'll do a giveaway today, Team Ball. How about that?
I may do a giveaway on here today. We'll see. It'll be towards the end of the live, so stick around. Focused on making a bag right now. You got some snow, Luke? Any plans for the holidays?
Chris loves money today.
Just gonna be in the mountains on Thanksgiving. Maybe go to, my family's neat.
We're at 8 to 2, guys.
What are you watching for today, Greg?
Shorts, 8 to 2. Don't be so fast. Push brockets. Let's see, I guess.
Gotta get my account logged into. I wasn't even logged in. I don't know what I was gonna take a trade on.
See how we get.
Does anyone have Bookmap up? Do we have any orders down around that 700?
Oh my gosh, I don't, but this is it's pushing. Oh, I love a nice downtrend day today. I would love that so much.
Interesting. Appreciate it, Nigel. $750, but I'm not seeing nothing down around that 700. They sent me a picture of Bookmap in chat and Team Bull. I don't see any orders down there hardly.
And feels like it does. Was really fast.
10 a.m. we do have business inventories, consumer confidence, and pending home sales at 10 a.m.
Wow. We can maybe potentially watch for a pullback now to this 50% retracement and also this pre-market low. Oh my gosh. Wow.
What's the opportunity?
That candle's got some serious selling volume on it.
I know.
Aggressive.
Strong.
We have been nice, huh?
24,680 to 24,700 is the area I'm looking for a bounce. We'll see. Yeah, we have data in 16 minutes or so.
Yeah, we have data in 15 minutes.
Good morning, YouTube, TikTok. Welcome in, everyone.
Right.
Yes, we missed the train. Missed
Wow.
the train, guys. So 6640, the next level I have here. The end of the range that I was talking about.
I was hoping we could get a nice pullback back up. That 50% retracement.
We have a couple setups we can watch here now.
What do you
I think we'll
Grizzly?
catch it. I think we got a couple setups to watch here. I like it. Just gotta wait on the pullback for shorts. We could possibly still catch a bounce in this area. I'm just waiting. If we lose 680 and close below, I'm no longer looking for a bounce. We have a possible short entry if we retrace back up to 783. Other than that, we can watch the 15-minute range here. Go with your strategy you use.
I'd prefer a retrace back up to like 800 almost.
Yeah.
A little higher. I'd start with the 780s. With you, I'm okay with that. It's not looking great though. It's not looking like they want to give it to us.
We have point of control at 730.
Approaching to 64.
Don't.
And one bounce now. Anyone took those shots? You know, I took them.
Oh. Quite a bit of aggressive selling here to start the morning. Quite a bit. We got 12 minutes into data.
Thank you.
Greg said he tried NQ longs,
Good
but
long.
I'm not taking it. For
Yes,
sure not
and
taking
they-
this.
675.
We gotta wait on this market to settle before we can take a trade, in my opinion.
Stop loss is at 50.
I think Greg's about to stop out already. That's why you don't take it with volume like this, my friends. He's out of it. Oh, yes, no problem. Talk all you want, Mr. What is it, Babar? This could invalidate my shorts for sure. I mean, my long entry. Look at the volume on this candle. Isn't that wild? The volume on these candles. It's crazy. 2 in a row. Volume on these candles is crazy. Crazy. There's no one else amazed at the volume on these candles but me.
This market needs to learn a thing or two from Jay Dunn and start doing some pull-ups. Needs to pull back up so we can get short.
Could be one of them days where it surprises everyone. What did that 7?
I have a watch. I don't love what the market's done for us thus far, but I will watch for this 15-minute low retracement.
I like that. I agree with Jay Dunn on that.
Is that I'll watch for that retracement here for shorts. We'd like to put like a 20, 30 point stop on. And then I'd be willing to try it again if we got close to that like 780 to 800 area. I'd be willing to try shorts up here with stops above like 840. That's what I would personally like to see.
Oh, yawn. Try some shorts, everyone. M&Q shorts, rather. $7.11 was my entry. Light size of M&Q shorts.
Tried shorts with you. Small size. I tried shorts too. With I'm gonna put my hard stops up here at. Got a good fill in that too. So 12.
All right, everyone. I'm gonna 5-minute close up inside this range will stop me out. Okay. 5-minute close inside that range will stop me out. Five-minute close back in the 15-minute range is my stop, everyone. Just a heads up.
Here we go. I'm gonna push it below 700.
Thankful for patient with this one. We should see a nice flush. Could be a nice trade for us.
Yeah, I don't love. I like this one. I don't love it because of how aggressive this candle's been. But I was willing to try it with stops at 735, and then we can look for re-entry if we go higher to like 780, 800. All right, guys. I just got stopped on that 735. I just got stopped at 7:35 my first trade. 7:35 first trade, got stopped at 7:35. I will wait till 780 to 800 to potentially try again. Or if we get like a flush here and we fail this 15-minute high, I'm willing to try it. As long as this candle doesn't go too high. I'm willing to try shorts again.
If we close inside here, I will stop out everyone of my M and Q.
Stops above this candle high. So I'm just following my plan. I really like the setup. It looks good. This volume's good. I'd like to see ideally a push to 800. That would be my prime setup with stops above 840. Or if we get this aggressive flush here down to like 7, below 715, I'll try shorts again with stops above like 750. So we'll take it.
I stopped out. It stopped me out on the close of that 5-minute back inside the range, everyone.
One more test at 800. I'll watch for 800 area for one more test, and if we don't see that reject, then I'll be over 2 and I'll be done for the day. So.
I like the retest that 15-minute range.
Look at our market structure to start the day. We've got multiple very aggressive candles down.
I don't even know if I like this fair value gap. I think I like this pre-market low better for a short entry. I mean, you can try it here, but the volume on that previous candle had quite a bit of buying. News in 5 minutes. I guess the midline was it. I want to take another short entry, but it makes more sense to me to wait to the pre-market low. The warp just hasn't been it lately, has it? For the most, for like the initial touch. It's been working better coming back out of the range, if you all have noticed. Alright everyone, the only thing I like at all now is this pre-market low area for a possible short. I'm watching it and we have data about to drop, so.
Started adding a small size of shorts up there above 90. I have room up to 38, so just under 50 points of risk on that. New data in 2 minutes, but I did try small piece.
That was not me, that's Jaden. I'm not taking a trade here. Just a heads up. Let this data get out of the way. I mean, I'm not set that we flush again after the move up we've seen. I mean, we had aggressive move down, but we're also having the, moving right back up to opening rate where we open. So we'll just have to see here. We definitely have to let this data drop first. lot of big dogs take off weeks like this, so could have just some weird price action this week. You know, just some weird price action. Try not to make your Thanksgiving week horrible because of trading, though. Plenty of time to trade in the future. Even if you take little paper cuts this week, don't let it, put you in a bad mood. Enjoy the holidays. Don't let it ruin your Thanksgiving. It's about to rip off this data, rip straight down. Steve, you catch the bounce, man? Nice. All right. Do we try it? Is it still up here? I'm trying shorts again. I'm back in shorts. Last trade. Oh. Stops above VWAP. What's VWAP at? 833. Good average would be around 800, 810, I guess, somewhere in there. Push down for us. Is anybody in the trade? Am I talking over people?
Oh, I am.
Oh, my bad.
My first out of the 90s, and I added decently at 820.
It kicked you off my audio. I couldn't hear you
Come
talk.
on. Die! Die! Hey!
All right, everyone. As a nice entry, let's take a half a position off right here. Why does it keep kicking me off the Zoom? It's starting to make me angry. I'm taking half my position off here on the shorts, everyone.
Yo!
Is anybody in this trade with me?
Now, baby. That 820 area was money bags. Nice job, Grizzly.
Thanks.
I got a nasty ad. I'm talking a nasty ad up there. At 820. Filthy. Filthy ad up there.
I'm keeping my stops at 800 now, everyone.
Absolute filth of an ad.
There we go.
There we go. Yo!
That's what I wanted to see, everyone. There we go. Come on, push down for us. Push down. We want to mega. What is it? Mega trade. Nice. There we go. It's going to be a green day, even after that stupid first trade. There we go. All right. Took one more off here. I'm going to let this last run. Okay? I got two left. Two. I'm going to let them run.
Money with you guys.
All right, Team Bull. I got two runners remaining. I'm trying to see if we get low day out of this.
That was absolutely filthy. That's what we call pay done.
Come on. Beautiful. 100-point trade, everyone. Over 100. There we go. We're green for the day. I know that first trade wasn't ideal, but you should be green if you're managing this right. Whew. There we go. I haven't trimmed again, everyone. I'm holding. What is that? No, actually, we need to take one more off here, cause it's not making sense to let it run back too far. Trimmed one more. I have one remaining. My stop is at weigh-in profits now, 50 points. Now that's a nice trade. That's exactly, we had a sniper entry too. Literally perfect entry on that. Now that made sense through a technical standpoint, retracing to that pre-market low. The reason we got stopped out here, we tried the 15-minute orb strategy, right? That's a strategy we use occasionally. 15-minute orb, we tried our shorts here. We ended up getting stopped out here with the close back inside. Then we let data get out of the way. We didn't take before data, which is what you're supposed to do. Don't enter right before data. We waited on the push up, caught our short entry right in here. We caught this move down. Everyone understand why we took that? $6.31. This point of control is going to be my final price target. I'm actually going to move my I'm moving my runner to that 15-minute range. I'm not giving that much back. That 720 area. All right, trade's over. Pretty aggressive bounce there. Nice trade. Excuse me. What a morning. Supposed to be coming to clean my house. Hope I haven't missed them. Thanks. You're up 1,758. Wait. 1,758 on the day. It's awesome. Solid day, everyone. I promised you all I would give away some accounts. Didn't I? Does anyone like the 150K take profit accounts? It's okay if you don't. I want to know because I don't want to give someone an account that they don't like. Some people don't like the 150K. Some people love them. I've gave you one warrior before a year. It's not been no year. I still got her messages on Instagram. Come on. Think I don't remember you? Okay. Let's see here. AJK says, I used Code Grizzly on 50K Apex yesterday. Nice. Steve Olson, you can have one. DM me your email associated with Take Profit on Instagram. The Apex I gave you didn't work. It should work. I can see if it's not working, it has to be on their side or something, or you just maybe the setup not setting it up right. I'm not for sure. Let's see here. I'm trying to pick someone else to give. 1, 2. Matthew Harper. You can have one. Okay, I gave away 2. I may get us some more accounts for in the morning through a different platform. Let me see if I can get us a bunch of codes. That way I can do like a mass giveaway. So, you know, a lot of you can get hooked up, not just a couple. Take Profit's really hard for me to get the... it's harder for me to get a lot of accounts through Take Profit as opposed to Apex, or I can probably get some more Tradify as well. So Matthew Harper, you go to my Instagram. You can find my Instagram, all my socials at grizzlytrades.com or anything I offer. You go to my Instagram, DM me your email, link to Take Profit. So you have to have a Take Profit account set up and send me the email associated with it. That's all you got to do. Do I see any other setups? Not really. Don't see anything I like too much. I'm lucky we're ending the day green after that first trade. Any questions? I'm gonna hang out for a minute. So if you have any questions, I'm still looking for setups, but I'm typing right now. Zoob Funded Futures Network. Oh, I don't have anything bad to say about them. Use them if you like. It's a little different approach, but solid. It's a good point, Zook. Any questions? Sorry, my my chat was not like updating when you was typing. We had a nice short entry called a mega trade. My favorite prop firm? I don't know for sure. There's so many great ones now, you know. In the beginning it was, you know, slim pickings, but now they're just coming out from everywhere. You all have any plans for the Thanksgiving? Nice. Family and food? Sounds like a great plan to me. I'm gonna be in the mountains Thanksgiving morning, then probably go to my family's. You have to work. It's no fun, but some people do have to work Thanksgiving. Not everyone gets off the holidays, huh? Nice, Matthew. That's awesome. Netflix at 104. Thanks for letting me know, Jeff. Definitely gonna be watching Netflix for entry. I'm thinking about starting a longer term trade on Netflix around that 100. Honestly, I like to add between 100 and 80. I know it's quite a big range, but I feel like anywhere in there would be profitable at some point in the future. What do you all think? Do you oh yeah, I was gonna ask you all about that. For those that want, you know, looking for the Black Friday Grizzology sale, um, which package was you looking, you know, more for a sale with, like the lifetime or which, or just like a, you know, a deal on the monthly lifetime? All right, so Monthly with existing customer. Okay, so like make a special for like existing monthly customers, and a special for lifetime. Gotcha. Yeah, I'll drop it. May drop it today actually or tomorrow. We'll see. Nister, what are you locked in at the monthly rate? What rate are you at? I'm just curious. However you say your name. I don't, Jackson. I don't have a position. Oh, in Target? Yes, I'm in Target. I think my average is like 88 on my target position at the moment. It's long-term trade though. I'm okay holding for a while. Alright, sounds good. That's fair enough. Mason, appreciate it. But if I do take it, I'll post on the TikTok story. I'll post, try to post it everywhere, but mainly to find it, you need to be on my Instagram story or inside the Bears Den channel on my Instagram. Downside still looks good to me, everyone. If you're looking for an entry, volume's going down. We're just kind of hanging out here. But I think I'm going to call it a morning. We're green. We had one winner, one loser. Thank God that winner was a mega trade, huh? I'll see you back in the morning. I'm gonna try to go live tomorrow as well and have a bunch of free accounts for you all. It's my goal, so gonna try.